Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the chapter Air and Atmosphere. Air and Atmosphere. I hope all of you know what is meant by air. Air means the mixing of different gases, and simply we can call air is a mixture. So tell me which type of gases combine to form air. So different type of gases like nitrogen and oxygen, other gases like carbon dioxide, dust particles, and some noble gases. This all together into form we call air. Okay. So which gas most abundantly present in the earth, and the second one, and other gases, and this importance of these gases and the uses of these gases we want to learn in this lesson. Okay, the first one, what is air? Define air. So we can be able to and easy to define this word. Air means the mixing of different gases or mixture of different gases. Okay, so that gases, and we can simply called composition of air. So the air contain nitrogen, there are 78 percentage, and oxygen 21 percentage, and 1 percentage other gases. Other gases means carbon dioxide and noble gases and dust particles. This all together 1 percentage. So total out of 100, 78 percentage nitrogen, 21 percentage oxygen, and 1 other gases. Okay. So this next one we want to learn that different gases and their importance like this. Okay. So next one, the uses of nitrogen. Use of nitrogen. There are different uses in the nitrogen. The first one for protein synthesis. So in the plants, the nitrogen is very important for the protein synthesis. Okay, so protein is very important for the plant for to their growth and development. So this growth and this development, that plants need that nitrogen for that development. The simply protein synthesis. And second one, the nitrogen is important for that packing the food and food items, canned food or packet food like. Why we are using that nitrogen in the packing the foods? That is a nitrogen is an inactive element. Inactive element. That's no way to growth of microorganisms, and that's why we are using that instead of the oxygen or other gases we are using the nitrogen. Next one, the nitrogen is also used for that manufacturing of fertilizers, manufacturing of different fertilizers. Okay, the ammonia and nitrogenous waste, nitrogenous fertilizers. So So nitrogen fertilizers, and it is manufactured by the help of nitrogen, and some explosive materials or explosive things prepared by the help of the nitrogen like TNT and other explosives. And in the hospital also we are using that nitrogen. That nitrogen is mixing with the oxygen into give that oxygen cylinder as help to that patient, and many other uses in that nitrogen that are very useful for the human kind. So today all of you want to understand what is mean by air, and that composition of air, composition of air, and that composition of air means you want to learn that the percentage of air that